square root of x plus 1 minus 1 over x. This is the question that you have to do. Now you can see there is an expression inside of the square root sign. Then what can we do for it? I am going to use this method, factorizing method. What will be the factorizing method that we can use for it? What can we do? Okay, let's do it. I am going to teach you it. I am going to write this expression over there as limit of x approaches 0, square root of x plus 1 minus 1 over x. Then for this one, for the denominator, I will add 1 and I will reduce 1. Then is there any difference? When you compare these two, I added 1 and I reduced that 1. Now you can see this x plus 1 is the square root of x plus 1. And this 1 is square of 1. This is the square root of x plus 1 and this is the square of 1. Now you can see there is a difference of two squares. Now you can factorize it. Okay, let's see how we can do it. It's equal to as limit of x approaches 0, square root of x plus 1 minus 1 over square root of x plus 1 minus 1 times square root of x plus 1 plus 1. Is it clear? Okay. Then, as limit of x approaches 0, then what happens here? Now you can see these two expressions are equal. Then you can simplify it. Now you have 1 over square root of x plus 1 plus 1 as the denominator. Then I can substitute 0 here. 0 plus 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the answer will be half, which is a real number. Okay. Otherwise, if we do the direct substitution, what will happen? Here 0 plus 1. It's 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here x approaches 0. Therefore, 0 over 0, it is undefined. It is undefined. So, you can use this method to solve this question. This is a one method. You can use another method. I will teach it later. Right? Okay, next question is, as limit of x approaches 0, you should find the value of square of x plus h minus square of x over h. Now, what can we do for it? If we do the direct substitution, then h equals 0. What happens? X squared, x plus 0 squared minus x squared over 0. Then you have x squared minus x squared as the numerator, as the denominator is equal 0, 0 over 0. It is undefined. It is not defined. So, what can we do for it? So, I am going to add x to the denominator and I will reduce x. Let's see what can we do for it. When as limit of h approaches 0, x plus h, square of x plus h minus x squared over h. I will add x and I will reduce x. Then I can write it like this. It's equal to as limit of x approaches 0, x actually it should be h approaches 0, the square of x plus h minus x squared, I can write it as x plus h minus x. Then what can we do for it? We can factorize it by using the knowledge of difference of two squares. As limit of h approaches 0, this is x plus h minus x times x plus h plus x over this is x plus h minus x. So you can cancel these two expressions and you will have to find the limit as h approaches 0, the limit of x plus 2x plus h. 2x plus x is 2x. So this is 0, this becomes 0. The